Dongguan Prosub Technology Company Limited, founded in 2012, specializing in all kinds of sublimation printing products. It is a professional supplier of sublimation consumables. It has two manufacturing bases, Dongguan, Guangdong Province, and Zhejiang, Jiangxi Province. It covers an area of more than 20,000 square meters and has about 150 employees. The company's products are highly recognized by European, American, and Southeast Asian customers. At present, the company has a design department, tooling department, injection department, spray coating department, textile department, film coating department, packaging department, warehouse and control department, quality control department, printed department, and sales department to provide the customers with the professional product design and solutions. Most of the employees have more than 10 years of work experience. With excellent technology and mature product concepts, there are 25 injection machines and a professional production management team with more than 3,000 sets of various modes, specializing in the production of sublimation mobile phone cases, all kinds of pendants, daily necessities and pet supplies, sublimation consumables, etc. It has 8 punch machines, 2 cutting machines, and 7 CNC cutting machines, specializing in the production of aluminum plates, license plates, logo plates, spinner, dog tag, hardware pendant, etc. 3 automatic coating lines, 1 manual spraying coating line. They can spray all kinds of sublimation products like plastic, hardware, ceramics, glass, photo slate, crystal, acrylic, and so on. The textile workshop has high precision printers, roller transfer machines, laser cutting machines, hole stamping machines, label machines, and other printing equipment such as maker machine, placket machine, flat sewing machine, covering stitch machine, buttonhole machine, placket machine, overlock sewing machine, etc. It specializes in the production of all kinds of sublimation printing fabric products, such as t-shirts, sweatshirt bags, pillowcases, pet supplies, provide services such as consumable sales and ready-to-wear customization. A fully automatic coating machine specializing in the production of sublimation film, TTF film, heat transfer paper, Prosub Company production of sublimation film, quality and South Korea Songjong Company consistent. Product classification and packaging, double-sided tape, dual identification stickers, packing the box package, providing safe packaging and transportation conditions. At present, all categories of products in the factory are in stock, and there are more than 5,000 categories. The warehouse area is more than 5,000 square meters. In order to serve customers efficiently, the company has a warehouse management team of 10 people. We have good quality control for incoming material inspection, production process control, and delivery quality inspection. Professionally provide customers with customized services for finished products. No MOQ, one piece can be made it. At the same time, we are committed to the extension of customers' products to help customers develop new products and to provide proofing and improvement plans in the early stage. The company has a domestic business department and a foreign professional sales team to provide customers with high-quality after-sales service. After 10 years of forging ahead, we have been learning and growing, adhering to the business philosophy of customer first, forging ahead, adhering to the principle of customer first, and hoping to grow with you in the future.